Afternoon, students. Today our topic of discussion is microwave communication system. All of us has already read a lot of about the microwave, and in the previous semesters we have already studied about the communication. So first quickly I would like to revise about the communication. First I will tell you what is communication system. Before communication system we should know what is communication. So communication is the exchange of information between 2 points. Fine. 2 points, maybe one is transmitter and one is receiver. Whenever two persons talked, we always say they are communicating. So in communication there is always exchange of information by means of some communication system. That communication system may be electrical communication system or mechanical communication system. So it is clear what is communication and what is communication system. Again I am repeating, communication is a exchange of information between two sources, between two persons by means of some communication system. That communication system may be electrical or mechanical. Okay, so here we have to study about the microwave communication systems. Okay, so in the microwave we have studied lot of things already. What is their frequencies, what is their components. So in the microwave we have components like isolators, circulators, special waveguides. So we will all those things use here. Okay, and another important thing in microwave communication system, that is important parameter, that is power, frequency and impedance. These three are important parameters: power, frequency and impedance. So we have to think about those parameters in a very good manner. Fine. So communication over long distance, microwave है, so microwave frequency ranges are used here. So communication will be between long distances, communication between 2 points. Fine. So what is the basic microwave communication system? Okay, so here below I am showing you the block diagram of communication system. Okay, and another thing, I don't think so it is mandatory to tell you that what signal we will use here in the microwave. Obviously it will be a microwave signal. Fine. So you are seeing here the transmitting antenna, here is a receiving antenna. Obviously there is communication, so there will be always undoubtedly one important element is antenna. So here which type of antenna we are using? Parabolic reflector type of antenna. Fine. There is another element, that is circulator. So what is the use of this circulator? Circulator is used to isolate receiver from high frequency power. Okay, circulator is used to isolate receiver from high frequency power. Okay, then again we will go below. So then we will see here is a protection circuit. So there will be some circuitry used always in the electronics, protection circuitry. You must have read in the SCR and power devices. So next one is mixer. Mixer, what is the use of mixer? Basically we will see the mixer has two inputs. एक input आ रहा है protection circuit से और एक input आ रहा है BPF band pass filter से. So दो inputs आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो output जो mixer का आ रहा है वो क्या आ रहा है? वो again BPF से एक IF amplifier में जा रहा है. तो इसका जो आउटपुट आ रहा है वो आ रहा है एक IF सिग्नल, और जनरली उस IF सिग्नल की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है दैट इज 70 megahertz. Okay, so again we will move here. So mixer is clear. Then BPF क्या है? बैंड पास फिल्टर. So बैंड पास फिल्टर का काम क्या होता है? बैंड पास फिल्टर प्रोवाइड्स अ नेसेसरी सेलेक्टिविटी टू द रिसीवर. मीन जैसे भी सेलेक्टिविटी चाहिए रिसीवर को उसी हिसाब से बैंड BPF प्रोवाइड्स अ नेसेसरी सेलेक्टिविटी टू द receiver. Then again I will move here. Then what we are seeing, IF amplifier, AGC. यह यहाँ पर basically I have forgot to write it here. AGC is what? AGC is atomic gain control for amplification 70 megahertz signal and control through AGC signal. Okay, Then again further there is a limiter. What is the use of this limiter? This limiter is basically limits the unwanted amplitude of frequency modulated signal. लिमिटर का काम क्या है? लिमिट करना, जो भी अनवांटेड सिग्नल होगा उसको लिमिट करेगा, जो फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेटेड सिग्नल आएगा आपके पास. उसके बाद फर्दर वी विल सी व्हाट इज़ द, अगेन आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं एक मिक्सर आ रहा होगा, ठीक है. अब इस मिक्सर का क्या काम है? ये मिक्सर क्या करता है? कन्वर्ट कर देता है आपकी जो IF फ्रिक्वेंसी को माइक्रोवेव फ्रीक्वेंसी में, ठीक है. फर्दर हियर यूज BPF, वी ऑलरेडी नो द पावर एम्पलीफायर. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ पावर एम्पलीफायर? एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन द मैक्सिमम सर्किटरी वी हैव यूज पावर एम्पलीफायर. बेसिकली पावर एम्पलीफायर के रिसीवर साइड पे पावर जो होती है वेरी लो होती है, पावर इज वेरी लो. सो टू इन्हांस द पावर लेवल, टू इन्हांस द पावर लेवल टिपिकली, तो हम यूज़ करते हैं उसके लिए पावर एम्पलीफायर. तो नॉर्मली जो हमारी इसमें पावर हम इंक्रीज़ करते हैं 0.2 वाट टू 10 वाट, 0.2 वाट टू 10 वाट, ये हम यूज़ करते हैं. फाइन. So these are all the about the components, and in the below side you are must have seen there are few terms there. LO. LO is what? Local oscillator. Here is microwave source. Microwave source basically that source basically that generates signal. So for that we have used klystron or Cran oscillator that generates microwave signal. Okay. So these are the signals. And further I think there is nothing left. Balanced mixer, power divider. Okay. So these are the basic microwave communication system. Okay. So this is a very important topic for the exam point of view also. You must read this topic in the detail from the book. If you find out any doubt, feel free to ask. You can ask your queries in at my WhatsApp number, or you can mail me also. Fine. Okay. Thank you. We'll see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much.